I'm going to start with this example. So this is a region that's bounded by the lines y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 2, and x is equal to 0. And we're going from the point 0, 0 to the point 1, comma 2. So the first step would be to kind of write the integral. So f integral. So we have 2x to 2 So when we are integrating, this is the region that we are going to be integrating over. It is not the function. The function is something totally different, but these are going to be the bounds. These are the y bounds because we have y is equal to 2x to y is equal to 2. And then we're going from the point 0 to 1 for x. So when we do this, we're going to go y to x, and we can switch the order of integration. So we would just have to write the lines now a little bit differently. We're still essentially doing the same thing, but now y is equal to 2x. We just solved that for x, so x is going to be y over 2. So now when we do this, we're going to have 0 to 2 for our y bounds. We put dy out here, and now on the inside we're going to have y over 2 to oops, I did that backwards. We're going to be going 0 to y over 2, f of x, y, dx. And remember, this is just the area that we are integrating over. We're not actually performing the integral. I guess we could do some arbitrary function, but I didn't have one prepared. So that's basically it. So when you have one function, when you have one way of writing the integral, you're going to. So to just reiterate, what we're doing is we have a region that we are integrating over, our dA, I guess you could call it. So in our first region, we have our bounds written. We have our x bound from 0 to 1, and then our y bound was a little more complicated. We had to come up with the line and then what point it goes to, so that when we write our bounds of integration, they're consistent with the graph. And then we integrate y first, x first, and then if we switch the order, we now have to change what we're solving for in our line to get this, and now our y and our x are just switched around. It takes a little bit of practice, and it is a little confusing, but sometimes it makes more sense to do one integral a certain order rather than switching it. It just depends on what the function is or what the region is, but this is essentially how to change the order. Anyway, thank you. Thanks for watching.